Jamila Sarmawala.
I am Insia Panwala.
We are from class 9A.
Come before God with grateful heart to express our gratitude
Of all the blessings and gifts we have been given,
as the servants now. O God, as we join our hands in prayer,
we believe in you, we trust in you.
strengthen our faith,
Guide us by your wisdom,
correct us with your justice,
comfort us by your mercy,
protect us with your power. Conscience be clear, our conducted without fault, our speech blameless.
bless our parents and our teachers. Keep us all in your dear care. Give the strength to conquer any wrong that comes this day.
We are thankful for all whose paths we have crossed, all joy the sadness.
We pray for our companions, those we have met and those we will meet. We pray for them, for their families, for love, happiness, and good health. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhra Srivastava. We organize handwriting competition in our school. The objective of this competition is to encourage students to improve their calligraphy skill. Handwriting is essential skill for children. Practicing handwriting is very important for children. It enables children to develop their fine motor skill. It's activate brain and contributes to reading influency. The people are judged by their handwriting. It is itself an art we get from our childhood. So I wish all the best to all the students, those who took part in handwriting competition. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to have handwriting competition for class 9A and 9B. A good handwriting plays an important role in the life of a person, no matter which field an individual belongs to. The person may be a student, an employee, or a politician. Handwriting is something which leads all of us towards success in the field of education. And this is the reason of conducting this competition for our student. All the best to all the participants. I hope you will do well. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am teacher Fatima Japan. Handwriting is a reflection of personality. It speaks volume of an individual. It is a personal expression and reflects who the person is on the inside. Everybody's handwriting is unique, just like one's fingerprint. Handwriting is the style of writing as computer uses different fonts for displaying text. Similarly, each and every person has a different style of writing. For students, good handwriting can fetch him good marks. Some people are gifted by the God good handwriting. But students, don't lose hope. You can practice more and improve your handwriting. So do you agree with me, students? that a person's handwriting plays an important role in his life. I congratulate all my dear participants for your efforts. I wish good luck to all the students that as they are good in their handwriting, they become best in their future life. It's a great privilege for me to be as a judge for handwriting competition, and thanks to teacher Shubhra and teacher Pragya to give me this opportunity. You all are winners, but few are best.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nikita Karan. Here I am appointed as a judge of handwriting competition. My special thanks to teacher Shubhra to giving me this opportunity. Handwriting activates more the brain than the keywording. This is because it involves motor as well as the cognitive skill. A good handwriting always contribute the efficiency of reading because it activates the visual perception of letters. At last, only one thing I wanted to tell you. Always take care about your handwriting. It is never late. Thank you so much for the participating. Thank you so much. All the best. Here I am announce the result of handwriting competition of 9th class. First place goes to Sneha Chauhan. Second place Yoshika Rathore. Third place Devi Bamanya. I congratulate all the winners and participants too for participating. Thank you so much.
I am Sneha Chauhan. I study in class 9th A. I like art and craft, especially handwriting art. Whenever I see any letter written artistically, I always copied it, and that's why I want to learn calligraphy.
Hello, my name is Yoshika Rathore. I study in 9th class at Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur. A good handwriting is a valuable part of education in the life of a student. It makes a great impact on the teachers about the students. A good handwriting helps us to fetch good marks and it can lead us to a great success in the field of education. This is the reason I always try to improve my handwriting, and thus because of my efforts I have achieved this place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Devi Bamanya from class 9th A, Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur. Secured third position in handwriting competition. I improved my handwriting because good handwriting has a positive impact on grades. Good handwriting is the platform for achievements in workplace and self-assurance in life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I stand here to express my gratitude those who persons involved in conducting handwriting competition by 9th A and B. I thanks to teacher Shubhra and Mr. Amar. They conducted the entire competition nicely. I thanks to judges, teacher Fatima Japan and teacher Nikita Karan. They provided timings from the schedule and judges the competition nicely. I thanks to my students. They participated in this competition and tried to make it success. I again thanks to tech team teacher Dipali Somani and teacher Nafisa Motorola. They did the work very nicely and smoothly. Once again, I thanks all the persons who have tried to success this competition. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
You makes beautiful thing out of dust.
By this beautiful video, our students have shown their creativity of handwriting.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you so much and stay tuned.